Good morning. It's Monday, December the 6th, and starting my day. This is my second cup of coffee. I'm not working today. I have this Trader Joe's hair mask in my hair, but my hairdresser is gonna bring me a Pureology hair mask tomorrow, but I'm just trying to deep condition my hair. And then I'm gonna put on this pink peppermint face mask. All right, the mask is on and it says to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer. And then after that time, I'm just gonna go in the shower and take off my mask and my hair mask and rinse it off. So it doesn't really have a strong peppermint smell, and it is a little bit grainy. So we'll see if it dries and how it feels. Okay, I'm like 5 minutes in and I could barely move my face. It's like getting really tight, and I got like 5 more minutes to go, but it's not stinging or anything. It's just getting really. Okay, I just made my bed, and I wanted to show you guys this blanket right here. It's a Barefoot Dreams dupe. I got it at Sam's Club, but I have some Barefoot Dreams blankets and a robe. This is a member's mark. It is just like Barefoot Dreams blanket. Feels just like it. And I think I paid $30 for this one at Sam's, and it's reversible. This is a really good gift. $29 I think it was, but it's oversized. It's a big size. The cream in this leopard print was sold out, but there's a lot of other ones, but you might still be able to find it in the store. Okay, this is another pattern of the blanket. I got this one for my mother-in-law for Christmas. But this is it, just called the Luxury Cozy Knit Throw, and it is 60 by 70 inch. So if you wanted to look it up online, that's what this pattern looks like. Like I said, there's a lot of different patterns, but this is this blanket just in this other pattern. And this one is just like a gray. This one says heather border, stripe, cream, and gray. All right, I'm about to get into the shower to rinse this off, and it's been longer than 10 minutes, and it's kind of faded. It's still, my skin's still tight, is what the side says about this, and the ingredients that are in this mask.
The hell do you want? I have a delivery for Clark W.
What the hell do you want?
Open up the dog advent calendar. Okay, we need to find day 6. Where's 6? No, right here. Look. Okay. 6 looks like a big one. Okay, let's see what's in here. Is this a big one? Let's see what's in this one. What is it? It's a penguin. Okay, before you destroy it, can we see? Let's see if it has a... It's a little penguin. Oh. And he's got it. All right. So for rituals, we're looking for number 6. There it is. It's a tree. Oh. Okay, let's see, what's it say? Be sweet to your body. This hair and body mist from the ritual of Ayurveda brings sweet harmony and balance for body and soul. And it's a little body mist. Oh, it smells good too. Okay. It's candy. It's number 6 right here. Okay, number 6 is right here. And it's the Bianco Forte Barista Creations. This is another one of my favorites. And it's 7.77 ounces. That's a big size. Homemade recipes. I'm not kidding, these jars are hard to get out of here. This one is wild blueberry and palm leaf spread. For the lint. Oh, it's an angel. Okay, for Harry Potter, there's number 6 right there. Okay, this is just a figure, so this shouldn't be hard. put them together. Maybe it's Ron. There it is. All right, well, I'll just put the figure right there. I'm not sure who it is, but we'll put him right there for now. Okay, here's this little recap. The Bianco Forte coffee, which I'm taking to work tomorrow. We got the wild blueberry spread, angel chocolate, the Rituals hair and body mist, and this candy chocolate. All right, one thing I did want to show, which I've never had a candle like this before, is it does actually burn down to, the whole thing burns down. I wasn't sure how it works, so I still have a ways to go because we're at day 6 now. Tomorrow is 7. So I probably have to light this early in the day in order for me to be able to catch up. I did get a couple of Amazon packages today. Got a dress. I just stuck to the Amazon package. It's a plaid dress. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. But yeah, it's like a festive dress, so I'm gonna have to try it on to see if it fits me. It's like a plaid. And then the other thing is a figure for my Department 56 Snow Village, my Christmas vacation display, which you will see in another video when I put it all together. But this one is the Moose Mug Toast. Okay, one more thing that I need to show you is this headband that I did get from my son's fiance. It's a braided faux leather headband. She gave that to me today. It's so cute, and thank you for that. I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Thank you all for joining me on day 6. See you tomorrow.